Best deals.
1. Cutlery holder. Made from high-quality stainless steel and rubber wood base which is designed to look attractive. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Ice cube trays. Features a double-layer design that allows for easy and quick ice cube release. With just one press, the ice cubes effortlessly pop out. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Pasta maker. Attachments have been designed to experience at your disposal so that you can feel the joy of making gourmet cuisine with very little effort. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Peeler. Features razor-sharp stainless steel blades that stay sharp in order to maximize smoothness. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Colander. Ideal for kitchen rinsing fruits and vegetables, draining pasta, potatoes, beans, broccoli. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Spadle. Twist the head of this versatile spoon to turn it into a ladle, so you can go straight from cooking to serve your delicious soups and stews. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Paper towel. Eco-friendly non-woven cloth, non-stick and recyclable, effective and absorbent, do not absorb oil, easy to clean and can be reused for 4 to 7 times, water-absorbing material, non-woven fabric material, good water absorption, no crumbs, best cleaning tools for kitchen, bathroom, bowl, dish. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Sealer. Create airtight seal and prevent your food from tasting bland and stale and lock in freshness and flavor. Also safely pack cosmetics when traveling. Keep all food groceries, potato chips, candy, snacks, leftovers, fresh and dry. Avoid using containers that cannot really seal the food from the air. Any type of plastic bag or aluminum bag is affected by the sealing force. The magnetic bottom can be easily fixed on the refrigerator or any fixed metal surface. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Drain basket. Made of high-quality silicone material for easy cleaning. The handle is made of PP material, non-slip and durable. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Pot lid holder. Both sides are designed with grooves, which can drain water easily and not stain the kitchen counters and stovetops. Help keeping your kitchen counters and stovetops clean and tidy, durable for lifetime using, without tools, just tighten the 2 wing nuts by your hands which can be easily attached or detached it. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Ice cube trays. Designed with 24 individual cavities, allowing you to make a generous quantity of ice cubes at once. This makes it suitable for large gatherings, parties, or occasions. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Peeler. The ergonomically designed handle with a comfortable curve ensures a secure and comfortable grip, features the highest quality stainless steel blades with a razor-sharp edge. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Storage bag. Made of clear, non-toxic, food-grade safe plastic. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Basket. Perfectly spaced holes ensure faster drainage of water and your food doesn't stay in liquid. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Rice drainer. Helps in reducing having risk elements of direct filtering. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Knife. With the premium stainless steel blade, non-slip handle, protective blade guard, the Carrot Chef kitchen knife is an eye-catching centerpiece in your kitchen. Carrot kitchen knife uplifts precision, style, and safety to a new level. This high-quality knife features a sturdy stainless steel blade with a razor-sharp edge. With PP and TPR material, the handle of the Santoku is softer and easier to hold than other traditional kitchen knife. An ergonomically designed non-slip handle provides comfort while doing cutting tasks. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Masher. When pushed down, the spring flattens, forcing the potato to go through the thin hollow of its coils, creating a soft, fluffy puree with a single press. Multi-grip soft handle is designed to be held in various efficient hand positions. It's strong and durable that lasts long after many years of use. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Oil bottle. Silicone brush head, flexible and non-shedding, dense bristles, not afraid of stretching, high temperature resistance, no deformation, brush cover integrated, avoid hot oil splash hands, both oil brush and dust cover, 2-in-1 no worry, handle frosted texture, heat insulation and non-slip. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Egg whisk. Made of high-quality durable stainless steel and use highly polished processing method to bring the dual rust resistance protection of stainless steel. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Colander. Strainers are easier to be opened and collapsed than others with silicone base, very firmly. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Pocket knife. With its compact size and keychain attachment, this knife is perfect for outdoor adventures, camping trips, and everyday carry. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Hamper bag. Made with durable, heavy-duty PP material, this clothes basket is designed and built to be pressure and aging, designed with handle for portability, which can bead on the wall. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Strainer. Quality stainless steel poha strainer ensures perfect separation of grains and drained veggies. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Holy Spadle. The amazing slotted spoon that turns into a straining ladle and pasta server. As a large slotted spoon, it is ideal for scooping and shallow frying. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Cos. Effortlessly grate carrots, beetroot, apples and chocolate. Its slip-resistant silicone feet and additional cutouts ensure superior safety and maximum usability. The handle is comfortable while using and strong enough to withstand the high pressure. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Towels. Tier 1 napkin from the roll. Clean liquid spills and multiple surfaces. Reuse the cloth by machine or hand wash each towel up to 100 times. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Iron brush. Durable, rust-less and have long life. Perfect for your home, bathroom, kitchen. These are nice style and high-quality accessories. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Dishcloth. Made of high-quality fabric and silver wire mesh. It is durable and not easily broken, can be used to clean kitchen utensils of different materials, such as cooktops, plates, cups, pots, counters, bathtubs. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Sink waste collector. Designed as a sink waste collector. It effectively collects food scraps, making it a smart dustbin for kitchen. Kitchen sink filter net for waste ensures only liquid passes through, reducing sink blockages. Product link is given in the 29th link. Thanks for watching.